What is the Super Affiliate System 2.0? Is it worth the money? Are you looking for a system to help you make loads of money online? If you have, you've probably heard about the Super Affiliate System. So what is the Super Affiliate System 2.0? Is it better? Is it worth the money? I don't believe this is a scam as some reviewers are claiming. But I do want to give you my honest review of all John offers. I'm very pleased to see you searching for reviews on this product before purchasing it so that you can make an informed decision. I don't want to see you spending so much money only to discover it's not what you thought. Let's take a look at John Crestani and the Super Affiliate System 2.0 review. Who is John Crestani? According to Forbes magazine, John started his search for online passive income at age 21. After dropping out of college, he fled to Thailand to find himself. During his time there, he read the book The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, and decided that was the lifestyle he wanted to lead. And he did. He eventually built an affiliate marketing network that generates a tremendous amount of money. But he didn't do it overnight. Through many years of trial, error, and failures, he finally found something that worked for him. Unfortunately, it wasn't an ethical business. He had gone back to school and through his computer knowledge, acquired the answers to every online course from his school. He then proceeded to sell that information. Yes, he got caught and was suspended, but he got a taste of what trading knowledge for money was really like. In time, he created some success with a couple of other internet businesses, but his real success came when he decided to clone himself. He just keeps scaling this way, which has enabled him to make enough money for traveling and having the lifestyle he desired. What is the Super Affiliate System 2.0? For those of you who have heard of this system in the past, this is now an updated release. The older system was the Internet Jet Set system. You will most likely have seen his new promotions on Facebook. The rebranding was done with the monthly charges but costs considerably more money. He says his system is worth $37,223, which he knows no one will pay for. His first batch of students paid $4,985 for just the course, but you can now get it at a promotional price of $997. Why would he drop the price and offer more? He claims this is a time-sensitive promotion, which may come down at any time. This is just a promotional gimmick, which works, by the way, to place a sense of urgency for the customers. If you have someone thinking they'll miss out on a great opportunity, they're more apt to sign up. His training course is learning about, and limited to paid advertising. This would include added costs for that advertising, for solo ads, and buyer's data. If you are interested in trying out paid advertising, he is offering a free webinar in which he will teach you how paid advertising works. I have provided a link in the description to register for the webinar. So, who is this system for? John Crestani's Super Affiliate System 2.0 is best for an experienced marketer. Basically, this system is John Crestani's own affiliate network. It's for very motivated people who want to help John build his own income. Yes, if applied properly and exactly as he shows you, you can make money too. But first and foremost, he built this system to benefit himself. I do appreciate how honest John is when he says he's looking for people to help him make more money. Instead of taking time away from his lifestyle to increase his earnings, he's looking to teach people how he does it, so you can sell for him. And like any affiliate program, when you sell a product, you get a commission. He gets the balance. In his promotional video, he says this system is for people who want money and time freedom or are fed up with their job. This is true for anyone who is looking into online marketing. What he doesn't tell you is that affiliate marketing involves so much more than just paid advertising. There are many strategies you can use to create a passive income. And in my opinion, you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. You need to develop many streams of income for security's sake. The big problem I see for beginners is the lack of training for all the other methods of creating an online income. Strongly believe you need to learn all the basics first. Once you've learned all the basics, you will be well on your way to creating multiple income streams. How does this program work? John Crestani's courses are step-by-step. This program is strictly about paid advertising. John Crestani has developed a 3-step sales funnel and teaches you how to use it. He wants to show you his secrets, but really, there's nothing secret about this. This system provides you with the training to learn affiliate marketing via paid advertising. And the provided templates for the sales funnel are definitely a time saver. Also, you are getting a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. If you found out this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.